guys, so it's Cara Ghazali here, and I have a huge announcement. I've been trying to keep this a secret for quite a while, but it's time to reveal what this big secret is. And I'm so proud to announce that Smart Signature has chosen me as one of the first to get this very, very special gadget, and I really can't wait to show it to you guys. First and foremost, this is going to be an unboxing, so I'm going to show you. You guys are ready? I am ready. Let's go do this. Alright, so we're going to do this together, and then I'm going to zoom it in for you in 3, 2, 3, 2, are you ready? 3, 2, and... Let's open it up. First and foremost, I'm not putting a background song, so I'm gonna do it myself. Dun, 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 dun. I don't memorize it, but boom! The iPhone 12. This is in the color graphite. I don't know if it's actually different for other colors, but this is what I got, and I'm gonna unbox the one that I have over here. So this is how it looks like. It's actually thinner than the old iPhone. Very new, very reimagined, very high-tech, and definitely very for the future, as you guys can see. So it is wrapped in plastic, so make sure it's sealed when you guys get it. It comes with this flap over here, so wrapped very well, so you guys can see on all sides. And it says iPhone on it, and if you're looking to double check on the model, it's this one over here. So you're gonna have to look at the back, and it says the complete iPhone 12 Pro Max, the color and the size as well. So we're gonna open it up again. I can't believe we're doing this. We're doing this. I've been waiting for this for so long. I've been stalking the iPhone for like forever. Here it is. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, can we ASMR that? Ooh. Oh yeah, so it's here. It's in a matte box, as you guys can see, and a very nice, there's actually an embossed iPhone shape, as you guys can see. I'm not sure if you could really see it, but I'm gonna let it focus that way. See, it's embossed. That's pretty cool. I think that's new. Your whole attention span should just be on this. Both hands really gripped on it because you don't want to drop your new iPhone, my friends. Alright, so we're going to do this together, and then I'm going to zoom it in for you in 3, 2, 3, 2, are you ready? 3, 2, and 1. Alright, you guys. Wow. This is just amazing. I am going to zoom this in for you. I'm not even going to try to elevate this more for you guys. We're going to do this on a flat surface in 3, 2, 1. Alright you guys, so from the outside you're going to see that on both the right and left sides it says iPhone on it. On the back we have the specifications and what kind of phone it is, the color, the size, and of course on both the top and the lower end we can see the Apple logo. We're finally going to open this up, and wow, would you look at that. Do you even want to touch this phone? It's just gorgeous. You can already see here the ultra wide, and telephoto cameras. You can also see here the brighter true tone flash with slow sync, and we have over here the sapphire crystal lens cover. Wow, I mean, taking it up a notch, are we, Apple? So we have over here the volume buttons, and we have the silent and loud button on this side. So on this side we're gonna see the lock button, and comparing it to the previous iPhones, it does look a little bigger to me. We have over here, of course, the flap to make sure that it is smoothly removed from the box. So be careful when you guys unbox your own iPhones. Actually, they did label it for us here, and in very cute legends, as you can see here. It is very, very, well, for me, I didn't know how to really handle it because, of course, it's new and it's too pretty. But it does have that shine to it, that glare, that mirror image. And as you guys can see over here, it has the power button and the volume controls. Alright you guys, so when you turn on any Apple iPhone, or if you update it or restart it, it's gonna look like this. It's a plain black screen, and it's gonna have the Apple logo, and of course it just needs a little time for it to really like get settled and get started. I'm sure you guys are very familiar with this. It's basically hello in all the different languages, which I find really cute because it's very welcoming, but at the same time, it's also very aesthetic. So it's your choice if you want to finish all the languages, which I almost actually did. All right, so let's get started. So basically, when you swipe up, you can already start personalizing your phone. You can either sync it now or later. You can even sync it to your Mac and I think to your iCloud as well. So it's really, really quick. Set up your Wi-Fi, your Apple ID, and yeah, you're good to go. So of course, there's that feature which we all love, the Face ID. So what I love about it is that there are 2 tries, so you get all angles in your face. So, you know, whether or not you are just I just woke up like this kind of look, or if you're all dressed up, you can unlock your screen with no hassle at all. So already, like pretty much off the bat, you can see how high res everything is and the graphics are pretty, and I really actually do love the default wallpaper. They have the in-phone wallpapers, which actually sometimes I kind of rather have than choose new ones. So when you guys remove the phone, you are going to see these. It's of course the USB cable, and you have over here, of course, the one that will help you with your SIM card, and of course the Apple sticker we all look for in Apple boxes. I mean, we all want that, right? There's an instruction manual, so if you guys need to go through the nitty-gritty details, you are covered. Guys, I cannot believe that this is actually mine, and I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max in graphite, and it's 512 gigabytes. Since I just got this, all that I've been able to do is test out the camera, as you guys can see, and you know how important that is, right? And the camera is just insane, and you can literally see all of everything on your face, which is a great thing because I mean, what is natural, right? It's beautiful. There's so many different kinds of settings here. There's the portrait is insane. Wow, it's as good as like a DSLR. Like, I'm not even joking. This is the portrait. I'm gonna try to show you guys. I'm not so sure if it's focusing, but look at that. That is portrait. I know that with the front camera, there are different settings as well, and I mean, if you can get a front camera with this high definition feature, man, you are good. This is their video. Just so you guys can see how it looks, this is how the video, this is how the video turns out, and this is raw. And wow, would you look at that? I've already tested it out, and there is 3 different settings. See? I mean, you guys can shoot in different settings, and that is just the best you can really get. Let me try a zoomed in. No one judge, it's zoomed in. That's a 2.5. We're gonna do the wide angle. Bam. That is a wide angle video. I mean, I don't think I've ever had a camera with a wide angle. Like, it's portable. It's literally on your phone. Like, do you even need an expensive professional camera? Do you? This is their slow-mo. The best thing about slow-mo, by the way, is you guys can also do slow-mo with your front camera. My old phone can't do that. Most phones can't do that slow-mo with the front camera. This one can't. I haven't tried the time-lapse or panorama, but I already know it's gonna be great. Oh, wow, I don't know what to say. I'm literally still amazed with this. I already know that this is going to be a very powerful phone. There's going to be so many things I can do with this, especially with my smart 5G plan. Dude, there's 5G on this. If you guys want speed, if you guys want efficiency, boom, this is what you need. I mean, come on, you guys. Really, like, there's really nothing to say. This kind of speaks for itself. This plus this, guys, that is just reaching optimum activity. Of course, in medicine, it's very important that everything is very clear, especially in the specialty that I want to take up. So it's very important that the resolution is high, that the device I use is very up to speed. We don't want anything slow. We don't want any lagging in the Zoom meetings or presentations. Everything has to just be the best. And this is what it is. This is huge, literally and figuratively, because I really do need a lot of space in my line of work. Of course, I have shoots and I have modeling on the side, so you do know that high resolution photos are very, very important. Of course, there's stories, I have unboxing videos, and as much as possible, I need it to be very high resolution for the audience and for myself. This is actually of a very good weight. It's not super light, but it's definitely not heavy. For the very powerful phone that it is the best you can get, you guys. It has the cameras, very powerful camera. I haven't tested like the complete motion sensor of it yet because I'm still in my room. I just got this and I'm still trying to like absorb the fact that this is right here with me. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna update you guys. I can't wait. I'm just gonna pop in my SIM in here since of course I use my smart number and of course my smart signature plan. I can't wait to explore the possibilities of this. I will definitely keep you guys posted. I hope this unboxing, I'm not a techie person, but I really dove into that for you guys. And of course my new iPhone with my smart signature plan. Smart and the iPhone 12, best duo ever. I mean, what else can you really ask for in a phone? This is pretty much it. If you guys want to know more about it, if you have questions, if you want me to test some features, I will do it for you just so you can see how great this phone really is. Don't worry about it. I really think it's going to be one of the best decisions you're going to make. If it's a gift for yourself or a gift for your loved ones, I approve. So, can't believe it's here. Thank you, Smart, for bringing it to us, and can't wait to see what I can do with it. Bye.